Since our beginning in 1975, Sunshine Makers Incorporated has been guided by a single, clearly defined statement of purpose. As a socially responsible company, Sunshine Makers Incorporated is committed to being the worldwide market leader providing high-quality, environmentally safer cleaning products. I'm Bruce Fabrizio, founder and CEO of Sunshine Makers, Inc., but you probably know us better by my invention, Simple Green. You may also already know us as an iconic all-purpose household cleaner, but Simple Green brand products have been in the industrial marketplace around the world for well over 30 years. And when it comes to safe, effective cleaning and degreasing, Simple Green is a product you can depend on. While our Simple Green all-purpose cleaner can be extremely useful in keeping your lobby, front office, cafeteria, and living quarters clean, we bring some powerful cleaning agents to bear in your production areas too. And in keeping with our environmental and safety policies, we do so in ways that don't add to the hazards already being faced in many types of industries. Solvents, terpenes, corrosive, and caustic cleaners typically require expensive protective gear and create costly hazardous waste disposal problems. Simple Green eliminates these headaches and expenses by reducing the 4 major causes of workers' compensation claims: inhalation problems, contact dermatitis, chemical burns, eye damage, and slips and falls. The key to Simple Green's superior performance, even on the toughest jobs, is an optimized surfactant molecule combined with an optimized builder package that results in a safer, more effective way of cleaning and degreasing. This non-toxic and biodegradable formula is also non-flammable and non-hazardous, which translates into significant environmental health and safety savings for your business. But we didn't stop there. We've created a whole array of products that bring the power of Simple Green to your specific industrial needs. Crystal Simple Green is an aqueous-based cleaner that really packs a cleaning punch, but without including the harm and injury that can be caused by so many other solvents and petrol-based cleaning agents such as Stoddard solvent, MEK, trichloroethylene, and even kerosene. We put together a formula that cuts out the unnecessary ingredients that simply aren't needed. And the end result is a highly optimized cleaner and degreaser that actually suppresses volatiles instead of adding to them. Crystal Simple Green is also NSF rated for use in food and beverage processing areas, which means Crystal is a great choice for cleaning food manufacturing equipment, kitchens, cafeterias, break rooms, and other areas where food is prepared, transported, stored, or served. The versatility of Crystal Simple Green goes even further. GC and HPLC detection validations are available so that Crystal can be incorporated into FDA-regulated facilities cleaning programs for pharmaceutical, medical device, cosmetic, and other cleaning room industries where verified residue-free rinsing is required. Extreme Simple Green Aircraft and Precision Cleaner was originally designed for use in aircraft cleaning, and among the many tests performed on this product, the corrosion testing for aircraft is especially rigorous. Formulated into Extreme is the best combination of cleaning strength, user safety, and surface compatibility. Extreme Simple Green rinses cleanly and won't interfere with painting, sealing, plating, or coating operations that often must be done right after cleaning. In addition to its cleaning strength and non-corrosive nature, rinsates containing Extreme can enter oil-water separator systems. And when it's time to change out the used solution of your parts washer, you can often dispose right into an oil-water separator without introducing a degreaser that could allow oil to pass through. Other terrific Simple Green products that can help keep your environment clean, safe, and productive include Simple Green safety towels are pre-moistened with ready-to-use Crystal Simple Green so they can safely and effectively wipe away greasy, oily soils when washing or rinsing isn't convenient or available. Safety towels are great for off-site locations away from a water source. Simple Green hand cleaner gel can take the grime off your hands with or without water, and without leaving a sticky mess, causing dermatitis, or bringing a flammable formula onto the premises. This is another product with the versatility to handle grime under your roof or out in the field. Simple Green Limescale Remover has an acidic pH, but instead of harsh and harmful acids, it contains an organic salt technology to tackle the mineral scale, water spotting, and soap scum buildup problems associated with hard water. Within the United States, we have feet on the street to bring our family of outstanding cleaning products directly to your location so you can try Simple Green products on your worst cleaning dilemmas and see for yourself they offer the solution to the problem. With our field sales technicians and manufacturers representatives, as well as our fleet of state-of-the-art mobile environmental education centers, we can not only show you our products, but demonstrate some of the application equipment in our line as well, and do it all on site. Sunshine Makers Inc. is global in scope. If your company spans the globe, we have a regulatory staff that can often help enable import into a vast array of international locations. I founded this company on a terrific formula that since then has found its way into businesses and industries around the world. The Simple Green product line has grown over the years, but my commitment to excellence hasn't changed. I'm confident that a Simple Green product can successfully tackle your cleaning needs and help keep your world clean. For more information about our safety claims, our products, or to find a distributor near you, please visit simplegreen.com. Thank you.